Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about a tool today. We've got this really nice lap grinder made by a company called Ameritool. So it's a flat disc lap grinder. We're selling these as a kit where you get the machine and you're going to get like 4 discs with it. There's a 100 grit. This is diamond, right? So there's a diamond coating on here, and it's 100 grit. So it's more like, again, if you have like a grinder at home, and if you have what they often call just a standard grit, that's about this. Usually it's 100 or 120 grit. So pretty good for just knocking off stuff. It comes with a 270 grit, so more like what we might call a medium grit if you're trying to refine a little bit. Then we go to this one, which is a 325. This is a resin one, so the diamond coating is in a resin coating here. And then because of that, this is actually more like a 600 grit. The last disc is a polishing pad.